Hey everyone, welcome back to Channel Name. I'm your name, and today I'm going to share something huge with you. We're diving into the 4 freelancing sites that have helped me build a $30,000 per month income. Yes, you heard that right. $30,000 a month. But before we jump in, remember, this didn't happen overnight. It took time, effort, and a lot of learning. So, grab a notebook because I'm about to spill all my secrets. Site 1, Upwork. First up, we have Upwork. This is where I got my start and still make a significant portion of my income. Key points. 1. Diverse job categories. 2. Robust client base. 3. Payment protection. My strategy, niche specialization. Detailed personalized proposals. Over-delivering on small jobs to build reputation. Pro tip, use Upwork's rising talent and top-rated programs to boost visibility. Site 2. TopTal. Next is TopTal, known for its exclusive network of freelancers. Key points. 1. High-paying clients. 2. Rigorous vetting process. 3. Fewer but higher quality job postings. My strategy, continuous skill improvement. Building a strong portfolio. Networking within the TopTal community. Pro tip. Prepare extensively for TopTal's screening process. It's tough, but worth it. Site 3. Fiverr. Third on our list is Fiverr, which has evolved far beyond the $5 gig platform. Key points. 1. Seller-centric model. 2. Great for productized services. 3. Strong for creative fields. My strategy, creating tiered gig packages, upselling and cross-selling services, leveraging Fiverr's algorithm for visibility. Pro tip, focus on your gig presentation. Great visuals and clear descriptions are key.